What's up, guys? It's Haunted DJ and my friend Hudson. So today we're gonna be doing a challenge. Try not to say
whoa.
Okay, so let's start. I haven't made videos in a long time. I just don't know why.
Yeah, it was his birthday a week ago, right?
Yeah, March 4th.
So let's get into it.
Yep. Did the ice just rip that thing off? I want to say it. I want to say it. What the heck? Dude. Whoa! I almost said it. I said what?
Pop 5 lives up there, editor.
Oh, we don't have an editor. I joke. Pop lies up there, editor. I didn't say, I said whoa. I said whoa. I never said the bad word. Whoa. I didn't say it. Does that count? No. How is that cool? I don't get that. So satisfying.
I know, it's just like, it's so
It literally
dirty.
says up there.
But
like,
it's so dirty.
I know.
It's disgusting.
Wait, what is this? Is this a huge pocket knife? Well, not a pocket knife.
Like a sword.
Yeah. Oh, I almost said it. I literally almost said it.
I want those shoes. I don't know why. They look kind of dirty, but I like that. I like that a lot.
That's like a really, really cool design.
Whoa.
Oh no! You said it. That's 2 lives for him left. He has 2 lives. I can't believe that got you. That looked like her hand for a second. What is that? What is she cutting? Is that like, that looks like pie. What is that? That has whipped cream in it.
I don't think that's whipped cream. That looks, wait. No, it's the egg. It's a boiled egg. It's a hard-boiled egg.
That's so cool.
Disgusting.
I'm trying not to say, you know what?
That was on
What?
the cover. That was on the cover.
What? What? I don't
There's
get
like
that.
mist.
I know, I don't get that though.
Oh my.
I know. It's kind of cool.
I can't believe. Hey, let me show them. Look up there. Here, let's
Yeah.
replay that. I think it's like right here.
Yeah, see?
Look, watch.
It's that like red stuff right there. Like right there. Right, where were we? I think we were right here, yeah. What is that? Is that Chinese something?
I don't know, but it fit perfectly.
I know, it doesn't even like have like those cracks.
I
Like, you
know.
can like take it off. You guys know when you put something on, there's like these like little cracks where you could like see how it opens. But there's like nothing on there, right? It fits perfectly. This music is weird.
Yeah.
What? Is that real? I feel like that's photoshopped.
Yeah, it's Photoshop.
Yeah, that is photoshopped. Guys, don't believe that. That is photoshopped. That is photoshopped.
I wish that wasn't.
Yeah. I wish that wasn't too, but that is photoshopped. I am telling you that.
It looks disgusting.
That is not real,
That's
girl.
disgusting. Ew.
Ew.
If you guys like this, we're sorry.
Yeah, sorry. But that hand thing is real. It was like glitching a little bit.
I know.
That's how you know it's photoshopped. But if it's real, it's just gonna move like this. That is just photoshopped.
Oh!
Who would do that? Who would Photoshop us though? Right? Okay. this is on TikTok.
You seen that? Oh yeah, down there. Here, let me show them.
Flamethrower, yeah. It also, down there. Yeah, it says it's TikTok. Whoa! I almost said it. I didn't.
That's flamethrower.
What? Is that food coloring? Yeah, I think that's food coloring, right? Yeah. Like,
this doesn't count for a life. Pause it real quick.
and let me see it. Let me see it.
This doesn't count. No, let me do it. Here, you pause it real quick. This doesn't count for a like. Okay, this doesn't count for like a life to be gone. Whoa.
Yeah, that's cool, isn't it? What is he doing?
I think the car is just really dirty.
What is that? What? It's taking the scratches. What? That's a kid. That's photoshopped right there. You can see he's not actually sitting on that, right? Well, it's not.
No, that's not
photoshopped.
Photoshop.
No, it's not.
It's not Photoshop.
It kind of looks like it though. Is he seriously making an axe out of that? Or is it a crowbar? What is he making?
Hang on, pause the video real quick.
Why? Wait, what?
Look. We might have to stop this a little bit early.
No, what do you mean? I do videos like 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Okay, never mind. Well, he's making a pickaxe.
It's not secret. I bet you he's saying it's 10 minutes. I was like, we might have to stop early. But guys, you're fine.
Yeah, you're fine.
We're
Don't
fine.
stop. Don't stop.
Yeah, don't stop. We're fine.
We want. If we guys get 10,000 likes, views, then we will sell merch.
I don't know about that.
Maybe.
Maybe.
That's a good chance though.
Maybe. Come on, guys. Can we just hit 50 subscribers?
50?
Yeah, 50.
No.
I'm on like 14.
Yeah, it's your fault.
I said, what do you mean it's my fault? I've only been doing it for like
How do you think?
Wait, what? How did that not fall? That's creepy.
Looks like eyeballs.
It is eyeballs. Oh my god! What is that?
That's Photoshop. It's glitching.
No. They're like these sticky things.
That's Photoshopped.
What are there dots on his face?
Chickenpox.
Huh?
Chickenpox.
Chickenpox. Actually, no one can get chickenpox.
Yeah, people get chickenpox. Only once though. You can only get it once.
No, but when you're born, people give you medicine for the chickenpox. What is he doing?
I don't know.
Is he like making clay or something? I can't believe you said, you know what I mean, on that video. Remember?
I know. Wait. Did I say that word? When we were doing the when it was showing the ball thing, I was like.
Comment down below if you did, because I don't think
I did.
I don't think you did. No, I don't think so. But comment down below if you guys said,
And then,
if he said, you know what, 2 times. Yo, what the heck? What is that? What are you doing?
I'll be back.
Okay. Yeah, he's just right there.
Gotta get some swag on.
What do you mean, swag on?
I got some swag. Earlier I put like.
Ah!
He face planted.
I know.
And everything started not to grow.
That's actually a face plant. Like literally. No. I thought I was gonna run into him.
Oh, oh my goodness. Actually, there's fun inside, but you're scared to crash at the same time.
Yeah.
I can't stop messing with this.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and maybe even subscribe. You have to.
No, you have to subscribe.
You have to subscribe.
You have to.
You have to like. You have to watch this video.
See you later.
See you on the next one. Peace. Wait, no. Peace.